Hi, I'm Jeff.
And I'm John.
If you like our videos, hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new content.
Jeff,
Yes.
you keep using this word empathy,
Yes.
and I think I know what it means, but I don't know what you mean when you say
When I
it.
say it. Yeah, I might have a specific definition. Yeah. Empathy is really essential part of what I do every day. Like, it's probably the foundation of almost everything I do in my work every day. And basically, empathy is just the idea that you set aside momentarily what it is that you're thinking and feeling and needing and whatever is going on for you to try to take a deep dive into someone else's experience, how they experience the world on a subjective basis. It requires a little bit of imagination because, if you're used to thinking about the world from your own perspective and you need to change to someone else's perspective, you've got to imagine some things. And in order to do that, you need to know something about them. You need to know something about their history, about what they've gone through, what kind of experiences in their life that have shaped them to become who they are now. And you can kind of get that context and then translate it into, okay, what are they thinking or feeling or needing right now? Mm-hmm. So one of the big benefits of empathy is that it helps the other person feel well listened to. And if you are not feeling listened to, especially in a relationship, things are not going to go well generally. You need to feel understood. And there's a certain validating kind of experience that comes from being understood. I think the other thing that really happens is that empathy creates this kind of glue or bond. It helps to solidify the connection that you have with someone, especially when it's reciprocal. So I give empathy and my wife gives me empathy. And that reciprocity of empathy really creates a bonding point, a connection point for us. How do you experience it in your work?
Well, I wasn't really thinking about how I experienced it in my work. You were reminding me of a quote that I heard a long time ago that I really loved. And that is, it's one thing to be known.
Yeah.
It's another thing to be loved.
Yeah.
But it's even better to be fully known and fully loved.
I like that.
And so maybe that's what empathy is trying to do.
Yeah, it definitely is an attempt to see another human being for who they are. Not what you want them to be, not what you think they are, but who they are.
Sounds like something we need to practice.
Yeah, it's probably important to practice empathy every day.